When your Sceptre monitor won't turn on, systematic diagnosis is key. Start by checking the power LED indicator. This small light tells you everything about your monitor's power status. The power LED provides crucial diagnostic information. No light indicates complete power failure. A blinking light suggests standby mode or power issues. A solid light means normal operation. Begin with basic cable inspection. Examine the power cable for any visible damage, kinks, or cuts. Ensure connections are secure at both the monitor and wall outlet. A damaged cable is often the simplest fix. Next, verify the power outlet is functioning. Test it with another device or use a multimeter to check voltage. Ensure any outlet switches are in the on position and check that circuit breakers haven't tripped. For monitors with external power adapters, verify the output voltage matches requirements, typically 12 volts DC. Check the adapter label for specifications and ensure it provides adequate current, usually 2 to 5 amperes. Statistics show that faulty power adapters account for 45% of power-related monitor issues. This makes adapter verification a critical first step. If these basic diagnostic steps don't resolve your problem, advanced troubleshooting techniques may be required. When basic power checks fail, we need to move to advanced troubleshooting techniques. These methods require more technical knowledge, but can identify the root cause of persistent power issues. Internal power supply problems account for 25% of monitor power failures. The most common issue is a blown fuse, which requires technical expertise to diagnose and replace safely. Power input jack problems are another common issue. Loose connections at the monitor's power port can cause intermittent power failures. Always inspect the jack for physical damage or loose connections. For internal cable connections, extreme caution is required. Always unplug the monitor completely before any disassembly. Internal connections can become loose over time, causing power delivery issues. Prevention is always better than repair. Using quality surge protectors and ensuring proper ventilation around your monitor and power adapter can prevent most power-related failures. When advanced troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, professional service is recommended. This is especially important for internal component replacements, warranty considerations, or when safety is a concern.